I used to hate having a big head, but as a wig wearer, I love having a 5 head because I have options. I can pull. It's VZ, the Sexy Grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today, sis, with a new wig review. The unit we're going to be taking a look at today was sent over to us by our friends at Outre. So shout out to you, Outre, for sending this unit over for us to look at. You all, this is one of their new drippity drip drips, and I'm really excited about it. Why? Because it's one of my third favorite lines from Outre, the Sleeklay line. And this unit is BRIZELLA. This is what Miss BRIZELLA is looking like. As you can see, she is from the Sleeklay Part line, which means that she'll lay flatter at the top because there's more hand-tied lace at the parting space, allowing for a flatter and better fit. So that's what the whole hype around the Sleeklay line is. So with that said, you guys, she is HD transparent lace, and she's heat safe or heat resistant up to 400 degrees. I literally am kind of nervous about the color I got. So the color I got her in is DRFF2 Cinnamon Spice. Your girl was feeling a little saucy. So I'm going to go ahead, get her unboxed. I'm going to show you her cap construction, style her up, and then I'll come back and give you all the deets, spill all the tea, and see what she working with. Okay, so this is Outre Sleeklay Part BRIZELLA, and I have her in the DRFF2 Cinnamon Spice. Y'all ready? Let's go. Hold on, pump the brakes. So if you are interested in this unit that I currently have on my head, this is from Outre, from the Perfect Hairline, which is my favorite line, and this is Lynette. I did do a full review on Lynette in a different color. I don't remember exactly what color it is. It's a blonde. If I can remember, I'll put a pic up here, but I will also leave a link to her up here as well as an end card at the end of this video in case you want to check out that review as well. Also, you guys, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that free subscribe button. All right, whatever. So you came to see BRIZELLA. Let's go.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Oh, love of mine, I don't wanna die, knowing that you're not beside me. Love of mine, love me for a while. Love of keep my focus right. Every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. inspiration. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine. Love of mine. I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Right, every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
Okay, y'all, let's talk about it. So, first let me just say she's very, very pretty. I was so nervous about this color, but I absolutely love this DRFF2. What is it? Cinnamon Spice. And let me just give you a close-up on this, sis. This would be perfect wig for Thanksgiving. Absolutely perfect for Thanksgiving. So I've kind of kept mine like in these barrel curls, but you definitely can use a white tooth comb, as you guys saw me do before, and kind of comb her out if you would like to have her, you know, more bouncy and fuller. See how that is? And as you can see, it's combing right through. I'm not getting any tangles, not getting any snags. So that's the really nice thing about it. I just like those two big barrel curls. I thought those were cute. I did cut right onto that hairline, so that I cut through some knots, so that's definitely why I did get some shedding. It wasn't crazy. This is how much I have like in my brush, and then this is how much that I've gotten out of the hair. Big hair friendly, yes, yes, and yes. This cap is definitely big head friendly, sis. And as you can tell, I have a 5 head. I even feel like I could have brought this forward more on my forehead. Texture wise, she does have some yuckiness to her. You guys, can you see that? That's what I'm trying to show you. She's not all silky. She's kind of like slacky. So you're going to get a little bit of silk, but you're also going to get the same amount of yuckiness. I will say, you guys saw I did have a little humpiness, outre, up here. Definitely you can tell that it is like hand tied right at the parting space, wider, so that it will lay flatter, and it's not as thick right here as it is, you know, the hair in the rest of the hair. So that's also going to help it lay flatter, but I did need just a touch of heat to make her be flat because I know y'all like flat. So, and then I kind of went in the front because I like mine kind of to go like that in the front. And I know y'all like it flat, but girl, this is my wig. Breeze, y'all, she come in some beautiful, beautiful colors. And I did show you guys some of those here on the back. I am loving my new phone. Get into it. Y'all see how clear those letters are showing? Yes! Good job, Samsung. Okay, y'all, now let's talk about the pros and the cons. This is going to be a pro and a con, guys. The curls. Okay, the pro of it is that they're nice, beautiful, bouncy curls. And see, when I comb through, she's just full of body. Those curls are so pretty. Look at that. But this is kind of like a love-hate relationship because I don't know what to do with these curls down here. Like, they get down here and they're not really manageable. So I keep trying to, you know, I have to go back to that barrel curl. But if I wanted to, I don't even know how to explain this to y'all. But like, if I wanted to comb this out and make it like the bigger, bouncier, and then you'd kind of like take pics. Now see, it's making a liar out of me because right now it looks fine. Let me do this side again. I don't know, maybe you just got to mess with it and it will, you know, become more manageable. There. So it looks fine, but I think it might be like the length of where they hit as far as pictures go. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I don't know how to articulate what I'm trying to, the point I'm trying to make is that they look kind of, I can tell that these are going to look kind of worn. Child, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. This wig cute. It's cute, but I feel like I'm fighting with these curls at the bottom of the curl, if that makes sense. Oh, and she's got some like flyaways, which no big deal. Just kind of spray her down a little bit. You can even do it with water. But I just want to give you all the information. So really, those were the only cons, you guys. So yeah, like I tried to take some pics and I have to keep fooling with the curls to make them look like they're not tangled. There you go, if that makes sense. And they're not tangled. Pros, big hair friendly. It does not shed a lot. I have not gotten any tangling whatsoever. And the color. I will say though, I'm going to kind of retract a little something. I feel like she's been done before. I do. And look at that. Look at that face framing. Y'all see that right there? So pretty. This color is beautiful. So if you're darker skin complected like I am, do not be afraid of this cinnamon spice. This is really pretty, y'all. Really pretty. I got it. All right, I think that's all I got to say because at this point I'm just rambling, sis. I put in a lot of work. I kept it in on purpose so that you guys could you see the struggle that I am doing this with one hand? And if I can do this with one hand, it is definitely beginner friendly enough for you to do it with two hands. I struggled a little bit with the baby hairs. You definitely don't have to wear baby hairs. This unit, you definitely don't even have to glue it down. But as you can see, she is laid. So you can definitely lay her down, or you can definitely wear this unit glueless. So you got options. Yeah, that part. All right, y'all, let me get off of here. I love you all so much. Sis, remember what I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today. All right, guys, I love you to pieces. Hit that free subscribe button, share, comment, like. Be blessed, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. Thanks, Outre, for sending this one over for us to take a look at.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby,